back over here at my tiny yard, as I call it. I'm gonna try to bring that fill dirt or crop dirt, it's more like it, whatever you want to call it, and probably try to string it out along the edge of here because this is way low. And maybe around the corner. I'd go through and pick up some of these big rocks too and get those out of the way. But yeah, I'm gonna try to start putting the yard down today and probably part of tomorrow until the rain gets here. And then yeah, I got my sawzall with me, so I may have to trim some limbs off over here to get to where I can fit. But yeah, I'm ready to get this one done, to say the least, because there's absolutely no room whatsoever here. So, but I mean, it won't be bad. It ought to go fairly quick. The biggest dilemma I got is they just poured the approach and part of the sidewalk maybe last Friday, and all my dirt had to be dumped in the front because there's no room. But that dumpster is in the way to get down that side, and I don't want to drive across the driveway and the approach. So we're gonna find out if the loader got enough oomph to push it, because it's pretty full. There's a little bit of dirt and concrete and junk in there and a bunch of other trash. So, and then Jason's office may be in the way. But we've also got to come back and I guess dig up around the water meter, because there's a leak in there. I think the concrete truck may have possibly backed over part of it and maybe pulled the PEX out of the fitting, because it's on the back side of the meters where I guess it's leaking at. So yeah, I won't put any dirt or anything in there. The plumber didn't have time to come over here today and mess with it, so I'll just try to work on the rest of the yard, because this one's about ready to close too. The game is called on the account of rain. Plus I'm out of dirt, so I was just getting ready to start cleaning up the sidewalk and doing my hand raking, but we'll try again for next week. And hopefully no one will notice, or maybe it'll rain hard enough now to clean the street off, because I have made an absolute mess. But yeah, we're gonna load up for today, head to the shop. I may not be getting any dirt on Monday now either, so we will see. You guys have a good weekend. All right, today is the day to finally finish this yard up. So this is one we had to come back and dig a little water leak on. I started finishing this yard, then they had a little water leak, so which I got a little bit of trash to take out of there. But yeah, I guess they got that fixed now, so I can start trying to clean this place up and get it all done. We got rain coming in this weekend. They got to close on this thing, so I got a lot, the majority of it in the back. I just need to kind of add a little more hand rake and prep it out, so more of it's in the front. But yeah, we'll get get the machine warmed up. See if we can't get this thing cleaned up and make it look like something by the end of the day. Well, quickly, I'm sure it's really windy, but here's my end result. I'm not really happy with this one. This is probably some of the worst dirt I've had in the last few years, I would say. But it's just full of clumps of grass, and I think I had more rocks in the dirt than what was even here to begin with. But because the more you'd prep and hand rake, the more rocks would pop up. But I kind of tracked it back down, raked it out, and I think it'll pass. Like I said, it's not great. It's pretty rough when you get up here close, but it'll grow grass. It's just not the funnest stuff to work with. I think they're getting low or scraping the bottom of the barrel on their field that they're in right now, and they're supposed to be getting another one ready. So this section of it looks better back here, just because you can actually get the machine in there. This is just gonna have to hand rake out, and I'm sure it's gonna settle. I can get to track it in like I want. But I know it sounds like I'm complaining a lot, but this stuff is just kind of aggravating to work with. But it is what it is. We got it done. They can get their seed and straw on it, then it can rain all weekend and see how bad it'll rut up then. But we're on to the next one.